figured I'd record this little video as for a little update that I'm sending here to you now. But I did one. I'm excited about day 2. I sort of figured with no sports on, no basketball, no hockey, you guys actually may watch this to kill some time in our days. But day 2, we start in Nelson. I just figured I'd show you this stuff. You're following the water up here, then you take the ferry across, and you're following all the way down Kootenay Lake, which is gorgeous. I'm sure a lot of you have taken that, but East Side Road is gorgeous right through Creston. And then because we're going all the way down to Kalispell, it's a long day. We're doing 449K. But we did, instead of swooping all the way down through this Highway 2, which is still nice, you're following the lake. Somebody told me about this hidden little road up here through the middle of the forest up over here. And it is paved, of all things. And it's phenomenal. And if anybody wants to know, how you actually go in and kind of preview all these roads. So any of these guys that haven't been down here, you can kind of just click. I'm on Google Maps. And you just right mouse click and you hit what's here, and you get, of course, proper screenshot of what the highway looks like and what you're in for, which is kind of nice. So you get to see it, get a rough idea of the roadway, which is what I use to try to find all these back roads. This one's easy because we've all probably ridden this road a lot, but it is a gorgeous stretch of highway. It's nice and twisty. Very quiet traditionally, other than the rush off the ferry, but they usually offload you off the ferry in advance. But you're looking out at Kootenay Lake, which is lovely there. And a little bit further on to the ride, for example, we, as I mentioned, are going to be taking this shortcut. So we're going to come through Creston. We're going to come down. Where the heck are we coming here? So instead of, we are coming between, we're going to actually take a shortcut here. We're going to go off into the woods, and we're going to come up into Yak, and instead of heading down on this little white road, that's what I'm always looking for, these little tiny roads. But even in here, this is a lovely little backcountry road. You can actually click on it and you can kind of get a rough idea what the terrain looks like. And it's a pretty quiet little road in the middle of nowhere. No traffic there. And I'm trying to think if you can, we're going to actually go straight ahead here. We're going to hit Yak. Now I'm going to say Kevin and Russ, there's this beautiful little pub called the Dirty Shame Saloon. Maybe you guys have already been there, but you can come in here, you can kind of take a look at down 10, you get this nice rustic pub. We'll probably be able to hit, there's actually a couple of them. But that's a good pub to stop at for lunch in the middle of nowhere. And instead of turning right here, we're going to go straight ahead. Actually, they don't even let you see Google Street View straight ahead because it's such a tiny little road. But suffice it to say, you can actually come into satellite view and you can actually follow this road, and you can see that it's paved the whole way along. It takes you out in the middle of nowhere, and you end up coming out back on Flathead Lake, which is quite nice. Over here, you can almost see where you go here. You will be coming down through this valley all the way out, and the road actually I lied, it takes you over here. And believe it or not, there's a bridge right here. We're going to come down through here, all this twisty stuff here, and we're going to come down. We're going to take this bridge across, which is also quite lovely. And you get a chance to see where we come out. And there's the bridge. But we're going to be coming down that mountain, through that valley, and around that ridge, across the bridge. And it should be a good ride. Outside of that, I think that's it. Just want to give you an update, something to look forward to. Hopefully everybody's doing okay out there through, and give you an update if we have to bail on this COVID-19 stuff. But outside of that, there's the update. Looking forward to July 20.